Everyone, today we are going to learn about types of lines, and under that we will discuss perpendicular lines, parallel lines and intersecting lines. So under the type of lines, first we will discuss perpendicular lines. Take a square piece of paper and fold them according to the given figure. Okay, you have to fold. Okay, this is the square paper and we have to fold, okay, in the middle of top and middle from bottom, okay, so that we get this line. In the same way, unfold them again and again fold, okay, in the middle of left and middle of right. Clear? So that we got another line. So we got two line here. Okay, so the two folds when open, they represent two line. Okay, one is M line and another one is N line. Okay, and they intersect at the middle of the paper, and that here the angle is 90 degree. Okay, we get that angle is 90 degree. As you have already discussed, 90 degree means right angle. So we can say that when two lines are forming an angle of 90 degree, we can say that they are perpendicular to each other. Okay, they are perpendicular to each other. Clear? So here M line and N line forming an angle of 90 degree at the middle. So we can say that these two lines are perpendicular to each other. Next, here are some example, like two adjacent sides of a blackboard, okay, are perpendicular to each other. Next, corner of the each room. Next, adjacent edges of the table. All these are example of perpendicular lines. Okay, or we can say that when two line having an angle of 90 degree, they are perpendicular to each other. Okay, next one, second one is parallel lines. In the same way, we have to fold the paper. Okay, take a square piece of paper and fold them according to the given figure. Look at here. First we have to fold the paper from top, bottom, middle. Okay, here first we have to fold again without unfolding. Again we have to fold from the middle of that paper, so that we get another two line. Look at here. When you unfold the paper, so here we got three line, and that are the three lines are L, M and N. Okay, these are the three lines which do not cross each other, okay, at any point, and will continue without meeting. Okay, as you have fold this paper in the from the top and bottom, so we can say that this line never cross each other. Okay, such type of lines are known as parallel lines. Clear? When two or more line do not cross each other and the gap between them is equal always. If we measure the gap at each and every point, it will be equal. So we can say that this type of lines are parallel lines. Here are some example. Opposite sides of a blackboard, they never cross each other. Next, sides of a measuring scale or stairs. In all these cases, we use the parallel lines. Okay, all these are the example of parallel lines. If we compare L and M, both are parallel lines. Similarly, if we compare M with N also, they are parallel line. Or you can compare L with N also. Okay, in all these cases, you will get parallel lines. Next one, third one is intersecting lines. Okay, same, you have to take a square paper and fold you have to according to the given figure. First you have to fold from top and bottom, middle. Okay, so that we will get Q line. Clear? And in the same way again unfold them one and fold from the corner. Okay, left corner, top left corner and bottom right corner. Okay, so we will, when we unfold them one, we'll get another line. Okay, here one line is, here the two lines. Okay, first line is P and other line is Q. Okay, when we unfold them one, the two line form a pair of acute and obtuse angle. Okay, here we will get acute angle means angle which is in between 0 to 90 degree or greater than 0 degree and less than 90 degree. Similarly, obtuse angle means angle greater than 90 degree but less than 180 degree. So when these two lines cross each other, they form a pair of acute angle and obtuse angle. As you know that straight angle means 180 degree. So if one angle form acute angle, another will be obviously obtuse angle. So when we select this Q line, okay, this is the acute angle means obviously another one is obtuse angle. Consider the another side. Here the opposite side, it is obtuse angle greater angle, and this is the acute angle. Clear everyone? Next one. They cross each other at the point X and they are called point of intersection. These two lines cross at a point and that point is known as point of intersection, and these two lines are known as intersecting lines. Or we can say that in another way as when two lines cross each other having an at a common point, that is known as intersecting lines. Here are some example like arms of a pair of scissors in scissor. Okay, it are movable, both lines are movable and they are having a point of intersection at the middle of that one. Okay, so dandiya sticks, if we cross that one, we'll get the same pair of intersecting lines. Okay, that's all.